Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Okay, so before we get into it, I usually have C9 right-clicked over here in this wrench called miscellaneous functions. You can confirm that here or here, it's a blue note. But I didn't like how this sounded, so I decided to go with right-clicking on C8 to make that my new root note, and moving on. So operator 1 is just a saw wave, no surprise there. Filter 1 is where all the magic happens. So we have a line low pass, a high quality triple mode. I have envelope at or LFO amount at 6%, cutoff at 43%, and the resonance at 88%. I have the amp all the way down, and I believe this is just default mix, and I have the wave shaper on to control the peaks, any sort of peaking, because the sound can get pretty loud, like so. So I just have this shape right here. To quickly make the shape, if you if you just click on this arrow down here, click on presets, click on modulation dash increasing, you'll get this. Or a faster way to do it, go to presets, press M, and you're done. And of course, I have the sweep routed to the envelope. So the cutoff of this low pass filter is just sweeping down at this amount. So it's just moving down by a small amount, but if I bring it up, you won't really hear anything too, I don't know. It'll sound weird. Because it's just this low pass sweeping down really aggressively, really fast, but over this large range. So I generally think it sounds better because, well, down here, because I believe 50% is exactly where the cutoff is, and then above that is above this point. So over here, and then below that is below this point. Below. And that greatly affects the sound, like so. Definitely feel free to mess with the other low pass filters. I won't in this video because I feel like that'll take too much time. You should get the point by now. And definitely mess with the filter modes as well. I just like triple mode in this case. And definitely mess with FM as needed. So yeah, many options you can do with just a regular acid sound. And on top of that, we have an optional separate sub if you'd like. I just love separate sub. Notice how I put this ratio down to 1 to bring it down 1 octave. And I have a volume envelope right before the 16th note ends. I didn't mention it, I have tempo on. Tempo 1 for the cutoff and the separate subs volume. And this is just for articulation over here at least. Because if I have it like this, it feels pretty connected. I don't like it legato, so I prefer a staccato sub paired with the acid. And you could copy this envelope to volume of the filter as well. I just didn't do that. And you could also mess with the articulation of the sound by messing with the tension or however long or short this graph is, or even bring this slightly below the 16th note. By the way, to quickly shift to get rid of the snap on command, you just hold Alt and press the point and you're there. And to lock in place, you hold Shift. And now I can't go up. I can only go horizontally. Just some quick notes. So here's what it sounds like. So on and so forth. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a great day.